Hi, this is Anita at WannaBee Chef. So today I'm gonna show you a video on how to really make tofu taste like chicken. So for all my vegan and vegetarian friends out there, even the people who eat meat, this is actually a really great way to make tofu taste like chicken, and it comes out as firm. And believe me, even somebody who's a meat eater does not know how, what happened, and it really truly tastes like chicken. So you take a packet of any tofu of your choice. It should be either firm or medium firm. I personally, even though I'm using firm today, I prefer medium firm. And pick a brand of your choice. I like using organic tofu, so I'm just gonna drain the water out. And what I did to this tofu, which is a very important step, is I got it from the supermarket, froze it, and then again took it out, thawed it on my counter, and then froze it a second time, and then thawed it again. So that's an important step. Do not skip that step. It's very important. So here you have your tofu blocks, and all you do is squeeze the water out as much as you can without breaking your tofu, okay? Here you go. This way. So squeezing, look at the amount of water that comes out, okay? So that's all I'm doing, and then keeping it on the cutting board. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And that's why you never want to use soft tofu, because if you do this to soft tofu, you'll just have a mishmash on your hands, okay? Just gonna get the water out of my cutting board and place your tofu on your cutting board, like so, okay? Now the water has been really well squeezed out, trying another time, and that's it, basically. So this freezing and thawing process is super important, because you see, tofu kind of changes in texture because it was previously frozen and thawed. So that is a very important step. Now lay your tofu on top of a couple of paper towels, okay, just regular paper towel, and cover it this like so. So you have your tofu now, the blocks wrapped up nice in a paper towel. And keep them on a cutting board. Like you see, I dried up my cutting board. Take a second board, a cutting board on top, place it on top, right on top of your tofu that you already. I'm gonna move it a bit here so you can see. This is my tofu that was squeezed. That's been frozen and thawed twice. Then I squeeze the water out really well. And I have to make sure that I use medium firm or firm tofu. And now, after squeezing the water out as much as I could with my bare hands, I'm gonna keep it sandwich it between two cutting boards, place some paper towels, and just gonna balance my food processor. Use any heavy appliance that you can, anything really heavy, and leave it to kind of, here we go, sit on top of it, and that's it. There you go. Look at that. That's my tofu and my cutting boards, if you can see, sitting on like that. And that's it. You just let it sit like that for about an hour. And after an hour, you really have something that tastes like chicken. And now you can treat it like chicken. You can stir fry it. You can make nuggets. You can make anything of your choice. However you would treat chicken, whether you stir fry it Asian style, you make nuggets, you can even deep fry it, you can air fry it, and making sure that you're using like you would, you can batter it and deep fry it like chicken nuggets. So it's really a very easy way. And to season it, it's important to season it as you would season chicken. So go ahead and use this like you would chicken, but it's all vegetarian and it's all vegan. So enjoy it, my friends, and please subscribe to our channel at WannaBee Chef. This is Chef Anita, and we come with new videos every Sunday for you, all vegan and sometimes vegetarian. So make sure you subscribe to our channel for some very interesting tips, and enjoy our vegetarian food. Thank you for watching this video.